y'all, this is K1 Locks, and today I come to you with a box from SAS PES. It must be a return package from the winter package I sent him some time ago, so this is pretty cool. Getting a free package, so to speak. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. An international package, man. It's not very often seem to get those. As I've seemed to got those over my years, my couple years with this anyway. Let's see what we got. What do we have here? Something I'm going to go out a little bit later. We have a Zing lockout tagout. Oh, that's pretty cool. Zing. Nice. Oh, it's a my bear's back. It's a wow, it's a challenge lock. That's fantastic. Right? And we have ooh, little padlock there, a little numbers lock. Nice, nice. There we go, a Tisa, or Tisa, whatever you like to call it. That's a nice little lock, actually. So, all right. We got challenge lock by Talons. A roto lock. See that roto lock? Couple more. Where is that here? So there's a challenge lock by Dexter Dilemma. Crank. Blame Bill Bacardi for the bidding. Huh, okay, that's cool. I got oh, that's intense. That's some intensity there. Some definite intensity there. All right, Eva. Oh, look at the QA on that sucker. That's crazy. One more in here. Oh, nice. Oh, Abloy lock. And here's the key. Yay. Nice. That is slick. And a brand new combination lock. A Brooksville. Very cool. Must be Swedish lock. That's great. And last but not least, we got this here. This, I think, looks like he sent me something too here, like I sent to him. Let's see what we got here. Sweet, neat little penny tray. Ah, SAS PES penny tray. That's great. With his little logo there and everything. That is fantastic. I like that. It's laid out very nicely. Thank you very much, sir. Well, all the stuff comes in from SAS PES. This again is K1 Locks saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.